Hello everyone, I am Stella and welcome to vlog. I got this pineapple from our backyard that my mom planted and I decided to share to you a very simple and easy yet delicious pineapple upside down cake recipe. First off, let us peel this pineapple and cut into cubes just like this. We can use these fresh chunks of pineapples, but this time I prefer to use boiled pineapple in my cake. Though it is ripe, we need to add a cup of sugar and then mix it well. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we appreciate if you click that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upcoming videos. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button and leave a message on the comment section. Now, we are going to boil our pineapples over 4 cups of water for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to drain the pineapple juice and set it aside to cool down. This time, we are going to caramelize sugar on our pan. Maybe 3 tablespoons will suffice until amber brown. It has to cover the base of our pan. Then let us set aside to cool down. Going back to our baking, we will use this big bowl with these ingredients. For measurements of these ingredients, I will be sharing on the description below. First thing we do is to blend the butter on a room temperature using a handheld mixer. Then add this white granulated sugar. Followed by this brown sugar. Then this cinnamon powder. Let us mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add our eggs gradually to make it sure that it is properly incorporated. Then beat them until smooth and creamy for about 3 minutes. Let us sift the flour, but we have to divide to be added gradually as well. At this point, I'd like to add the milk to bring moisture into the butter before sifting the second half of the flour. On the second half of the flour, we can add the baking powder, the soda, and the salt. Let us just continue to hand mix this until smooth and creamy and everything is well combined. It is now time to arrange the pineapples on our pan with caramel. Then, let us pour our cake batter into our pan. Actually, our recipe can make 2 pineapple upside down cake. So, if you want to make only 1 cake, then just divide the recipe into 2. On a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, let us now bake for about an hour. As you can see, it is now well done. There you go. So, let us just loosen the edges of our cake to prevent it from sticking on the pan. Then, let us go to the exciting part, the most awaited. We are going now to flip our cake. That is why it is called upside down cake. That seems so yummy. And it did not stick on the pan. The shape may not seem perfect because it burst out at the center of our cake during baking, but I am sure that this still tastes delicious. Same true with life. It may not be perfect because at times we feel broken or even shattered because of some situations that we go through. But it does not downgrade our worth and value as a person. Instead, we always turn out to be stronger and victorious over life challenges. Moment of truth. It's broken. You see, oh, it's broken, but still looks yummy. Anyways. Mm. Happy Mother's Day. I'd like to post a disclaimer that I am not a professional baker or a chef, but I'd like to let you know that if I can bake a simple recipe as this, then you can also bake your own cake, maybe even better. So I hope that Metanoia inspires you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. This has to go inside the refrigerator because it is best if it is chilled for like overnight.